Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Big Mike with BZ Cooks coming back at you with another video today. So, before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Go down and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video so you don't miss out on anything, alright? Alright, so that being said, Super Bowl is around the corner. What do most people do during the Super Bowl? They're making finger foods and things of that nature to entertain their guests. So today what we're going to be making is a beer queso dip using Rotel diced tomatoes or habaneros, so it's kind of spicy. Now, for those of you who do not know, queso means cheese in Spanish. Today we're making beer queso dip or beer cheese dip. So let's get right into the ingredients, all right? As you can see, we've got beer. You don't have to use this kind of beer, but today I am using a Corona. We got Rotel diced tomatoes with habaneros. This is spicy. If you don't like it spicy, then you use the original brand. Original is not spicy. We have jalapeno jack cheese, all right? Jalapeno jack cheese has a little bit of kick. We got, and that's half a cup, I'm sorry. Half a cup of that. This is half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. We got half a cup of mozzarella cheese. We got about a third cup of bacon. Now, you don't have to put bacon in it if you don't like, meat or you're vegetarian or whatnot. Now, I just had bacon laying around. I wasn't gonna put bacon in it, but I said, what the heck, I might as well put some bacon in it. And we have a whole stick of cream cheese. So I just took the cream cheese and I just kind of cubed it up because once we incorporate it into our pot, we're gonna melt it down. It just makes it easier to melt down, that's all. All right, guys? And to add some flavor to it and a little bit of spice, because I like the fire upon my food, I'm gonna put some chipotle chili powder in here. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. If you don't want that much heat, you can put half a tablespoon or a teaspoon. Just heat it up to your liking. That being said, let's get started with the video and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. It's a very quick recipe. It literally only takes 10 to 15 minutes to make it. You can make this on the fly. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Stay tuned. All right, well, let's get it started. So you wanna put your beer on and get it warm enough where it can start to melt down your cheese. You don't want to get it too high. As you can see, I'm adding my cream cheese here, and I'm going to have to tune this heat down to a low heat because it started to boil, as you can see. All right, now I'm adding my pepper jack cheese, and I'm going to add my cheddar cheese and just start to stir that in. Also add my mozzarella. Pretty much just added all the cheese in and stirred it in really good. As you can see here, we're putting in our cheddar. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to add my bacon. So here I've got my bacon, just gonna add that in there. Now remember, this is optional, so you don't have to use bacon if you don't want to. Then I'm adding my Rotel tomatoes, stirring that in. This is a really good dip to serve to your guests, especially on short notice. I love making this because it's flavorful. You can make it spicy or tone it down. You can use pretzels, you can use breadsticks, you can use chips, whatever it is that you want to use. All right, so once I was done with that, I went on ahead and got my chipotle chili powder. This is a really good powder to use. Just incorporate that in. If you don't want it too spicy, you can tone it down, use half, or you can just not use it at all. Just depends on what you want to do. Hey, I want to give a quick shout out to my man Jay Jackson over on IG. That's JAE_JAXON. He's got some great tracks. Check him out. All right. So we're incorporating all this. Now, as I was stirring this in, it seemed like it was a little too thin. So I went ahead and I added another 1/4 cup of mozzarella. Now I use this out the bag. All the other cheeses were shredded, but this made it just right. So maybe about a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. All right, guys, so as you can see, man, this literally probably took me 10 to 15 minutes to make. I had like 4 ingredients with the exception of a few maybe just like spices and things like that. But this is pretty much it now. This is still hot. This is going to taste much better the next day. So once you're done with this, if you refrigerate it and save it for the next day. It's gonna taste a lot better because all the flavors are gonna incorporate. But with that being said, let's give it a go because we didn't make it too watery this time. All right. Very good. So it's not too spicy. Let me go for one more scoop. Not bad at all. Hey, in the comment section, let me know what kind of cheeses you might incorporate. If you have any other ideas for chips and dips and things of that nature. I just put this one together because it's real easy to make on the fly. And you can do it anytime with just a few ingredients, really just that quick. All right. So if you like this video, do me a favor. Once again, like I said before, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment, and share. And hey, we'll see you guys on the next video with BZ Cooks. Peace.